Exodus Kind Care and Junior School nerishangwa Kayunga aharuguto orukurga Kampala kuza Wakiso.
Omukisa guno okwozayoza abayizi baffe ne bazadde baffe olw'obuwanguzi bwe tutuuseeko nti ebibuuzo byaffe bya PLE 2025 bisobodde okomawo. Twatuuza abaana 21 era nga tusobodde ofunako abaana 16 nga bayitidde mu ddaala erisooka, abaana 5 bayitira mu ddaala eryokubiri. Abayizi baffe abasinze bafunye obubonero 6 era nga bonna bakoledde ddala bulungi.
Abasinguzi twabashanga hishomereri abamwe bina bazire babo bari kujaguza no kwebaza mukama ahabo kubasya ha businguzi.
Tanyufu nnyo olw'obuwanguzi muganda engwatuuseeko ng'era njagala okwongera okwebaza bazadde baffe mu kusooka olw'amaanyi n'obutasa mukono, era njagala n'okwebaza Kisaakye Hope olw'okubanga n'essuubi ate n'okuteekamu amaanyi mu byasoma.
I'm grateful for my teachers for teaching me today until this success that has come, and I've got 6, and I thank my parents also for paying for me school fees.
I came out with 7 aggregates in PLE. I exceedingly thank God for all the wonders He has done as I was studying and for the results He has given me.
Thank the management of Exodus for such a performance. I'm very glad, and I will keep on supporting them.
We are here to celebrate the results of Primary 7, our pioneer candidate class, that is 2025. We just call upon all the parents to send more kids, more candidates here. It was our first year, but we are glad for the results which have been brought back.
We thank God for the performance of our kids. It has really been good. We prayed and we are happy for the results. I thank my colleagues who are standing here that we have been working with. I thank our students for working, for doing their best.
Okuhandika beja basya kwatandikire kandi kugenda mu misho gasha kwa Yudaya na Myaro omuri Wakiso.